going to the park. We're not going to that's why. Come, Mary. Anyway, as I said, we're going to the park with the kids. Roxanne been wanting to take photos by this mural forever. Go on. So this is the mural, and I can't take photo of myself, so I took only a baby Avi and Roxy. Yeah, so I'm gonna try to take a picture of the mural. I walk across the crossing. Annoying kid. Okay, people, were finally at the park. We're at the park and people are outside because Jamaica is hot and it is summer. It's summer and the place is hot. But this is Heros Circle Park. I'll give you guys a better view of it. So we're in the park and this is what the park looks like. That's the entrance. And that's our flag. See the Jamaican flag, the trees. Working in the park. Anyway, we're going over to the part where I have the slides and the jungle gym and everything because the kids want to go that side. And I realized that they're putting more trees in the park. If you look closely, let me show you guys. See, they're putting in more trees. A lot more trees there. And there's like a whole lot of trees over there too. And we're going over to that side where the slides and stuff are. You see, they run. Take your time. Monster at the rocks here, come monster. Good baby. Here comes the monster. Here comes the monster. Rawr. Run again. Yeah, run again. So guys, are currently we're playing monster. So there are the kids. They're running that way. We are playing monster right now. So right now is playing with the kids, and we are playing monster. Now we are leaving the park because we're gonna be go getting the ice pop right now. So right now we are leaving to go get that. So come to join with us, okay? So we're going to the gas station because that's where we buy our ice pops at the gas station. So we're going to the gas station to get ice pop, and then that's the end of our park adventure at Heros Circle. We didn't get to show you guys all the areas of the park or all the heroes because the baby is in place. Yeah, the baby's kind of give us extra work. But next time we show you guys all the heroes and all that. All right. So yeah, remember to like, subscribe, and share all our vlogs. Drop some comments down below. Right, comment below. Oh, unfortunately guys, thank you for 1K because we're at 1K subscribers now. So thank you guys for that. And we're gonna do a 1K special soon. But yeah, all right, to the ice pop place. take out them one there for me. 3. Count 1. bought ice pop at the gas station, Arija. Hold on for now. And then off to home now. So we met my little sister, see her here? Hold on for her hand. My little sister. And we're eating our ice pop. Your mom's gone. Yeah, mom, can't buy that one.
We say that.